Dude, I welcome our committee members for the upgradation of our school, the Kongunadu Velakondamatti. Our school, Kongunadu Velakondamatti, falls under the state highway from Namakkal to Erode. From Namakkal, for 14 kilometers. This is the main entrance of our school. This is the main gate. Here we have kept a flex for RTE for the poor children whose parents' early income is less below 2 lakhs. We can move towards our school. This is the school's vast sports area. This is the parking area where the children and the staff they can park their vehicles. This is the vast boundary wall with full security where the children feels comfort and safe inside this boundary wall. The playground covers 5058 square meters and the height of the compound wall is 8 meters feet. 8 feet. And here we are having the water purifier where the water purifies and it supplies throughout the school campus. Here we are having the power generator which helps to generate power supply while there is a shutdown. Sports is important in our daily life. A sports personality can develop good health and maintain good posture. It has 200-meter athletic running track. It is inbuilt with a 100-meter track. And here we have volleyball court. We have very good transport facility for the children. The buses are well equipped with video cameras and the speedometers. Here we have the shot put pit. We can practice shot put discus in this. We have a vast stage. We can conduct sports celebration, sports day celebration, annual day celebrations in this stage. This is our auditorium. Around the boundary wall, we have decorated it with the great leaders who fought for freedom. When the children often seeing this, they can remember the independence of our country. And the very important quotes are also quoted of the great personalities. Our school is fully eco-friendly. We have planted many trees. The children are taking care of those things. Our children are very good in archery, gun shooting, track events and so many things. They have got many placements in the sports area. This is a throwball court. Both the girls and boys they can play during their PT period. This area is for the kids. The children use it to play here and enjoy their evenings. The play area is fully covered. Here we have a kabaddi track, kabaddi court and a badminton court. And this area is also for the kids where they can share their time here. Slide, wave slide, merry-go-round, flying bus, and so many play items are here. The children use it to play and enjoy here. This is the school entrance. The children, they have their assembly here. This is the assembly area. We are having flag post. Every Monday you use it to hoist the flag and salute our national leaders. The children have planted many saplings around the school and they are taking more care about the saplings. This is the way for the principal's room and the office room. This is the principal's cabin. This is the restroom for the guests. This is the waiters area and this is the office cabin. The parents, they can wait for their turn to pay their fees and for their clarifications. These are the children drawings. And the children's articles. This is grade 1. It is fully furnished with the benches and it has a digital classroom. Easily understand, the children, they can easily understand through the digital board. The class is more interaction and lively. The teachers are taking more care for the children. They can clarify the doubts then and there. In the corridors, we have painted with the greatest scientists their name and what they have and their inventions. Often we have GK quest to have a familiar of these scientists. This is grade 2. The classroom is very lively. It's very interactive. There is a reward chart. If the children are getting more marks, if they did anything well, they will get a reward in the jar. This is the birthday chart. The children's birthday will be celebrated. We are having separate toilet facilities for the both boys and girls. This is boys restroom area. The restrooms are very hygienic, clean and tidy. They have separate urinals. And toilets. The students, they maintain their cleanliness. They'll be very perfect. In all the corridors, all the floors, we are having the fire extinguisher for the children's safety. In our school, we are having 4 houses: Drona, Pragaspati, Vishwamitra and Vashishta. The children are focused to put their inputs in these houses, and according to their inputs, they will get the score. The notice board has been decorated by the children. The learning outcomes are through these notice boards. We have well-equipped library. We have plenty of books over here. The children run to the library for reading. Whenever they get a time, they can come, read, and get a pleasure of reading. There are so many storybooks according to their standards, encyclopedias, dictionaries, magazines, journals, newspapers, Xerox machine, and easy internet access facilities also available in the library. We are having nearly 4,000 books in our library. And we are having reading room also. The children then take their book and they can sit and read over here. Whatever they need, they can sit and read here. Nobody can't disturb here. This is a very silent area. They can read here. They can enjoy reading over here. The children, they read their storybooks and they go and say a story to their parents, which we feel very happy. What they have read, it is explored in their home. Champak in Hindi, Tamil, English, Twinkle, Magic Part, Science Reporter, Knowledge Quest, Tell Me Why, and so many magazines and journals are there for the kids to explore their knowledge. So our library is well equipped and gives pleasure of reading. And this is the PT room where we have more PT equipments. Not only the main outdoor games they are playing, they can play the traditional games also. In Tamil Nadu, we have a lot of traditional games. Nowadays, the traditional games are in a lower situation. So, to impart that traditional games, we have introducing the traditional rooms or games also. The children are fond of playing games, both indoor and outdoor. We are having Silambam, archery, gun shooting, and so many outdoor and indoor games. We have India map and world map, both the sides, and the articles of the children pasted on the notice board. The activities done by these are the activities done by the Montessori children. Every week they are doing activities, and it is pasted in the notice board. In our Kovnadu school, we are having Montessori environment. Dr. Maria Montessori, we are following her method. It's a joy for the joy of the child is the joy of achievement. So we are importing Montessori environment. These are the activities done by the Montessori kids. We are having two environments. Montessori helps the child to come out with their talents and activities. They are fully free. They can choose their material and they can work with the material. There is no any restrictions, but there is a rule for everything. The child, the staff, the teacher, all they have to follow those rules. They can learn and explore their things in here. It is not a classroom, it is a home for the children. Here all the materials are according to the child's level. They are learning colors, occupations, stories, birds, vegetables, and so many things here. Each they are having different material. They are touch, feel, and explore the materials. So they can keep those names forever. They never forget those things. Here the toilets are inbuilt for the Montessori children. They know need to go outside for any reason. The toilets are very hygienic, and the teachers they are teaching how to wash the hands, how to use the toilets, how to maintain cleanliness, which the children are also following in their home, where we are getting great impact from the parents. The cleanliness and the way of behavior, it's learned from Montessori. How to walk, how to handle the things, how to talk, how to respect the children, everything comes under this Montessori methodology. They can touch, feel and explore it. Whenever you ask any material, they will be very particular in that. They can clean their materials, they can clean the classrooms. The child has every right to maintain the classroom. We have one more environment. These are the sensorial activities and EPL activities which the child can see and touch, and he can recognize the materials, how to use, how to hold, how to fold, how to sit. For even the teachers, they are teaching how to sit and how to carry the things. In this age they can learn lot of things. For example, the country's flags, country's name, and the sounds of the letters, colors, and so many mathematical operations also they are doing in this age itself. Our classroom is fully equipped and decorated with a lot of paintings. The children, whenever they get used to see this, they know how to behave like this. In all the borders, they are decorating with the colors. We have separate toilets in each environment, and the hand wash and everything is according to the child's size. The children are very particular in cleanliness. Handling the materials also, they know how to handle the materials, how to roll the mat, how to arrange the things. We are having digital boards for these kids also. Playing rhymes, stories, we can use the digital boards. They can clean the classroom with these accessories. And we are having Montessori playroom. If the children want to relax themselves, they can come here and play over here. Here we have aquarium with the different colors of fishes. Here is a ramp and wheelchair for the disabled persons. Now in our school we didn't have any purple like that, but in future we are ready to accept those children. And this is indoor games. We have table tennis, carom, chess also here. We are giving more practice for the children to play indoor games also. There is a wheelchair for the handicapped children. And this is girls' restroom. The toilets are very hygienic, and the children they are using in a good manner. They have so many restrooms. And now we are entering to the first floor. In the first floor also we are having toilet facilities. We are having separate toilets for girls and boys. And we are having fire safety equipments. Our school is eco-friendly and we are having so many trees. Whenever you enter into our school, you feel like you're living in a hill station. This is our biology lab. This is fully equipped biology lab. All these diagrams are drawn by the children and we have any number of charts to explain. We have a skeleton, models, and naturally built nests, honeycomb. The children bought these things. The children also very spider web. These are made by the children. We have microscopes. We have models. We have the models of everything and the charts and the specimens, the test tubes, holders, and the microscope. And we are having so many models. Test tubes, beakers, specimens, and the model of human organs. Lungs, eye, brain, tooth, heart. The nest of a bird, and so many things. And each classroom we are having notice boards. The children they can, this is the third standard, the children they can bring their articles and they can paste it. We will give a target, what they have learned, what they explore, they can explore through this notice boards. Every class we are having a reward chart. Here we are having reward fish and birthday cupcake, which motivates the children. And this is the infirmary. If any children is not feeling well, they can come and take rest over here. This is inbuilt with the restroom. All the classrooms here having digital board. Well equipped benches and so many models. We are motivating the children to draw many things. This is the teacher staff room. During the leisure period, the teacher used to sit here and take notes, and they can prepare for the next class. This is fifth standard. In all the classes, we used to have the digital boards where the learning outcomes comes more effective from the digital boards. What they want, they can easily learn through this. This is grade 6. The children are exploring a lot of things while reading. They will get more rewards if they do their work well. The boards are come out from their creativity. Every notice board is decorated by the children. And this is grade 7. And this is the washroom for the boys. Here we have drinking water facility. In all the corridors, we used to have drinking water for the children. And this is the chemistry lab. This chemistry lab is well equipped with a lot of chemistry materials. The wash basins, test tubes, stands, the burners, flask, and chemicals, acids and salts, measuring jars and measuring beakers, lenses, the test tubes, burners, holders, they have all the acids and everything. The children, they can handle with so care. All the equipments are for the senior secondary level. Acids, base, or for the senior secondary level, the children from 6 to 10th also they can use this lab. The equipments also are for the senior secondary children. Here we are having the modern periodic table of elements. By seeing these elements itself, they can recognize the symbols. And we are having the stock of the things. The charts are explaining the each models. The chemistry lab is fully furnished with equipments for the senior secondary students. And this is the computer lab. We have two computer labs. This is for the standard 1 to 8 and another for senior secondary level. Here we used to have 1 to 8 children to do the practicals here. And this lab is equipped with the digital boards, air conditioners, each children they can use each single system. Systems are having internet access. We are having good conditioned air conditioners. The children they can type and they can do all the activities regarding computer. Now we are moving to the second floor. We are having a vast area of playground. And more greenery space. And this is the second floor. You can able to see the 200 meters track, shot put track, shot put pit, the auditorium, the compound wall, the main entry, kids play area. This is grade 8. In our school, the benches are according to the children's size. Safety measurements are there in each floor, in each corridors. And this is grade 9. And this is our well-equipped Max lab. This is the robotics material which the children can mantle and dismantle easily. This shapes 4-row beads, 5-row beads, 7-row beads, multiplication boards, division boards, graph, number rods, geometrical cabinets, long bead chain and arrows, geometrical sets, constructive triangles, number cords, ruler, probabilities, hemisphere, sphere and cylinders, geometrical solids, prism, pyramids, cuboids, geometrical sets, number cords, decimal system, beads frame, 1000 beads, hundreds, tens, ones. This is a stamp game. This is seconds board, fractions, seconds board, fraction, children are used to enjoy robotics because they can easily create a new shape. And this is a computer lab. This is the lab for senior secondary students, the 11th and 12th students. This is the second computer lab you are having. The systems are with internet facilities and a printer. For the senior secondary students. And this is the present 10th standard. We are having 4 empty rooms in this corridor. The children, they can sit and read anywhere in the classroom and the corridor. These systems are for the senior secondary children. These empty rooms. The rooms are in good condition for the senior secondary children. This is also your free space room. And this is the music room where the children, they can enjoy their music. We are having drums, keyboard, trumpets, and this is the staff room. The teachers of 9th and 10th, they can utilize the staff room. And this is also an empty room. We have so many extra rooms for the senior secondary children, and we are having drinking water facility in all the corridors. And this is a well-equipped physics lab. The lab occupies many children. They can do the lab work at a time. We are having pendulums, speedometers, measuring scales, vernier caliper, physical balance, and their weighings. And these are the materials for the senior secondary children. Concave and convex lens. We have a well-equipped physics lab which occupies more children than perform at a time. This is the environment of our school, where the children feels always cool over here. Usually our Namakkal area is very hot, but the children, those who are studying here, they feel very cool. Our school is mainly specialized for the spoken, the activities, sports, etc. The children, they can move to some other schools and states for the competitions, and they can got so many medals. Now we are moving down to the ground floor. The children, they learn good behavior and they are very obedient and they maintain cleanliness. These are the areas for the smaller children, and the first floor for the primary children and second floor for the senior secondary children. The children are taking care of the trees and the environment well. The children love to play in the evening. The parents they can wait and pick up their children. We have a good environment. The vision of our school is to endeavor to mold our students to be compassionate, progressive and professionally successful human beings. And the mission is we strive to provide a lively, warm and purposeful atmosphere for the pursuit of excellence. We have so many extracurricular activities like chess, Bharadam, vocal music, Silambam, yoga, band, karate, instrumental musics, and we are having life skill periods also. We are giving more importance for drawing and taekwondo and sports, a lot of indoor and outdoor games. And our academic excellence is we are personalized care. We are giving personalized care and individual attention or extended to the students for the team of dedicated teachers. The children are following certain rules and regulations. The children most probably they love to come to the school. They love the school rather than being in their home. If you have they are very well and very happy to be here along with the teachers. I wish all the safe and healthy environment. Thank you.